So after running that test last night, that 6 amp hour battery had 2 bars left and it was too warm to charge it, so I had to wait for this morning. And now if I press the button here, there's no bars at all. Put it in the charger. It's showing that there's a trouble with the battery, so I won't charge it. This battery is 2 weeks old. So now if we test the battery with the voltmeter, it's just 0.4 volt left in this thing. So that battery's smoked now. Nah, of course I didn't keep the receipt, so I cannot even claim warranty for this thing. So the same thing happened with this 4 amp hour battery. I was running it to my multi-tool the other day, and then I got the multi-tool to get really warm, just like the gun when I was doing the wheel nut test with the 6 amp hour battery. And then this battery got super warm too, even though it's a HP. And I don't know about you, but I thought that the HP batteries were supposed to have the technology to run the tool cooler and also run the battery cooler so that nothing would happen. So this battery here is also garbage, and it's probably a month or 2 months old. So it was the exact same thing. After I ran it, the battery was too hot to be charged, so I had to wait. Now I don't know, I'm asking you a question. Did you ever come across something like this? Like, should I leave the batteries into the charger and wait for it to cool down and then they'll charge them properly as they're cooling down? Or what's happening here? Because I'm kind of at the last here. And then I call Ryobi. I found a receipt for the 6 amp hour battery, so they're supposed to send me one back. 4 amp hour battery, I cannot find a receipt anywhere. Yeah, I'm not that good about those receipts. So you guys make sure you keep your receipt if you want to exchange a battery one day. Some of the tools they'll let it slide with the serial number and all that, but the battery, no question there. If you don't have your receipt, they don't even want to talk to you. So anyway, good luck. If you know anything about like how to charge those battery, I'm gonna do those tests I saw online. I think with that 4 amp hour battery, I'll try to take it apart. This one still have a little bit of charge in it. It's at 14 volt, but yeah, the charger keeps blinking. So there's probably a cell that have some damage in there, but I'll try that thing I saw online about taking the battery apart and try to give it a boost charge right to the cell and charge it right away, see if that fixes it. I'll do a video about that, and then we can see if I can save this battery. I guess that's what I get for trying to push my tools hard to make some nice video. So if you like the content, at least give me a subscribe so that down the road, if the channel gets bigger, then hopefully I can buy some batteries. All right, cheers. See you later.